Good morning. I am Lakshmi Sujata from Bharati Vidyabhavan Public School, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad, Telangana. Today, my concept that I am presenting is water exerts buoyant force. Water exerts buoyant force. Buoyancy means the property to float. We all know that few things float in water and few things sink in water. For example, paper, wood, plastic, all those things float in water. Coins, nails, pebbles, all those sink in water. Now, the water has a special property that water exerts an upward force called buoyant force on anything that put into it. This property of buoyant force determines whether the object will float or sink in water. Now, buoyant force makes things float or sink. Take a ping pong ball and put it in a glass of water. It floats because the buoyant force is more than the force exerted by the object in the downward direction. So, it starts floating. The object starts floating. If the buoyant force is less than the force exerted by the object, then it starts to sink. So, here we can see the coins in the bottom of the glass, and we also can see the boat floating in water. Now, when a thing is put into water, it displaces water to make space for itself. This displaced water exerts the buoyant force. A ship, though it is very big, it displaces a large amount of water. Thus, a large force is exerted, the large buoyant force is exerted on it and it floats. On the other hand, an iron nail or a coin displaces less water and buoyant force exerted on it is less. So, a nail or a coin sinks, whereas a ship, though it is very big, it floats. So finally, we can say that this unique property of water exert helps the things to float or sink in water. So water exerts buoyant force.